Disable a method in a ViewSet, Django-rest-framework. ViewSets have automatic methods to list, retrieve, create, update, delete. I would like to disable some of those, and the solution I came up with is probably not a good one, since options still states those as allowed. Any idea on how to do this the right way?
The definition of model ViewSet is: so rather than extending model ViewSet, why not just use whatever you need? So for example, with this approach, the router should only generate routes for the included methods. Reference: Model ViewSet, Update, and DRF 3.14.0, using one of the methods not implemented in the mixins gives a 405, method not allowed.
You could keep using viewsets.modelViewSet and define http_method_names on your ViewSet. Example: once you add http_method_names, you will not be able to do put and patch anymore. If you want put but don't want patch, you can keep http_method_names equals get, post, head, put. Internally, DRF views extend from Django-CBV. Django-CBV has an attribute called http_method_names. So you can use http_method_names with DRF views too. Shameless plug, if this answer was helpful, you will like my series of posts on DRF at this URL.
Although it's been a while for this post, I suddenly found out that actually there is a way to disable those functions. You can edit it in the views.py directly. Source: this URL.
If you are trying to disable the put method from a DRF ViewSet, you can create a custom router. By disabling the method at the router, your API schema documentation will be correct.